In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your date of birth on your Snapchat account. So if you want to change your date of birth on Snapchat, this is a really simple thing to do. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to your Snapchat. Once you open up your Snapchat app, you will be obviously on the camera page here. And from here, you will need to head over to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top left hand corner of your screen. Once you click on that, what you can do from here is simply click on the settings icon in the top right hand corner. And then as you can see, just under username near the top, there is an option now for birthday. If you click on this, what that will do is it will bring you to here. Click on your date of birth, and then if you are wanting to change this, all you simply need to do is change the numbers and obviously the months on this dial. Once you are happy, you can click on the continue button. And then my date of birth is 4th of the 10th 1997, I am 24 years old. If this is correct and you are happy, all you simply need to do is click on the OK button, and then that will mean that your date of birth will now be changed on Snapchat.